Welcome again, this is the Military Guna TV and review with a Chelsea fan, famous Chelsea fan in Jamaica. And he's not a happy man even though he's smiling. So Arsenal 3, Chelsea Football Club 1, and at this point in time I'm a happy fan. But let's see if Arsenal can kick on from here. Alright, so what do you have to say about the game?
It was a poor showing from my side. Poor. The changes that the coach made, I wasn't in agreement with them. Like, I wouldn't have brought on. Bring on again. I wouldn't. Yeah. I wouldn't have brought on Havertz for Kante. I wouldn't have taken off Timo Werner. I would have brought on Giroud, leave Timo Werner on the field for a bit. And if he wasn't scoring, then I'll put on Giroud. Simple as that. You know, the changes were what killed the game pretty much for us.
Yeah.
And you can't miss penalty. You can't get a chance and do it.
It was a good performance in my perspective from Arsenal Football Club, even though in the latter stages of the game we were under the cosh, as they would say, because they got the penalty, they didn't take that opportunity, and I'm happy that they didn't do it. And I can see that Burnley did a bit of research. Well, hopefully that they did a bit of research and it's not just luck. But thank you very much for tuning in, and this has been a good showing from Arsenal Football Club. Please share, like and subscribe. Military TV, I'm out.